Today we're unboxing a different type of item, a ceramic tile lifter. This is a 14-inch labor-saving arm for sofas, furniture, bed jacks, etc. Picture of it there. Open it up and take a look at it. Special thanks to the company who was nice enough to send this to me. Essentially, you have an instruction guide that'll tell you basically everything you'll need to know in a couple different languages. And then the actual, that's it for the box, lifting arm. So I have this one here. So you're able to basically put whatever you need on this part of it. And then as you press this, it continues to lift it. If you do get two of them, they both work the same way. Like I said, this one raises as you squeeze to lift up the product. Whether it's a couch, heavy desk, etc., these could come in handy. They do just have a little company branding there, but outside of that, this has a full measuring up to 10 inches, and it's made out of some very strong steel and a very, very strong plastic as well. So that'll do it for this set of lever arm lifters. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.